Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Most men assume that getting weaker after 50 is just part of aging. But that's not the full story, and honestly, it can be misleading. What's really happening behind the scenes is something most people never think about: a gradual breakdown in how your brain communicates with your muscles. This is often described as a kind of neuromuscular disconnect. Over time, the deep stabilizing muscles, the ones that support your joints, spine, and shoulders, stop activating the way they used to. When those deeper muscles aren't doing their job, your body starts relying on smaller, less capable muscles to compensate. That's when things begin to feel off. Knees get achy, shoulders start making noise, your back might go out doing something simple. Now here's the interesting part. Long before modern gyms existed, Shaolin practitioners focused on a very different approach to strength. Instead of constant movement and heavy lifting, they used stillness, holding positions under tension, to build control and stability without beating up their joints. In today's video on Health Fact 10M, we're walking through 5 powerful isometric holds inspired by that philosophy. These movements are simple, joint-friendly, and designed to help rebuild strength, stability, and coordination, especially after 50. Before we jump in, drop your name and country in the comments so we know where you're watching from. Let's start with the first move. 1. Bear crawl hold. A lot of people think strength comes from big muscles like the chest or legs. But real strength actually starts at your core. The bear crawl hold is a simple position that forces your entire body to work together. The moment your knees lift slightly off the ground, your shoulders, core, hips, and spine all have to stabilize at once. To do it, get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Tighten your core like you're bracing for impact, tuck your toes, and lift your knees just an inch off the floor. Keep your back flat and your neck neutral. Start with 3 sets of 15 seconds in week 1. Gradually build up to 30 seconds in week 2, and aim for 60 seconds by week 3. If your body starts shaking a bit, that's a sign those deep stabilizers are finally engaging. 2. Horse stance. Next is a classic position you've probably seen in martial arts training. The horse stance looks simple, but it creates constant tension in your legs and hips. This helps improve lower body strength and, more importantly, hip stability, which plays a huge role in balance as we age. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width and toes slightly turned out. Lower your hips while keeping your chest upright, like you're sliding down an invisible wall. Push your knees outward and hold. Start higher in week 1 and hold for 20 seconds. In week 2, go a bit deeper for 30 seconds. By week 3, try to get your thighs parallel to the floor and hold for up to 60 seconds. 3. Hollow body hold. Now let's talk about core strength, but in a safer, more supportive way. Many traditional ab exercises involve bending the spine repeatedly, which can be tough on your lower back over time. The hollow body hold takes a different approach by teaching your core to stabilize your spine instead of moving it. Lie on your back and press your lower back firmly into the floor. Lift your arms and legs slightly off the ground while keeping that lower back contact. In week 1, keep your knees bent and hold for 15 seconds. In week 2, extend one leg at a time. By week 3, try the full position with both legs extended, working up to 30 seconds. 4. Bottom push-up hold. This one is excellent for building upper body strength without repetitive strain. Lower yourself into a push-up and pause just above the floor. Hold that position while keeping your elbows close to your sides and your core tight. If needed, start from your knees or elevate your hands on a bench in week 1 for 15-second holds. Progress to full push-up holds for 20 seconds in week 2, and aim for 30 seconds by week 3. 5. Wall sit. Finally, let's focus on the legs, because strong legs are essential for everyday life. The wall sit builds strength without requiring movement at the knee joint, which makes it a great option if traditional squats feel uncomfortable. Lean your back against a wall and slide down until your knees are bent. Start with a partial bend in week 1 and hold for 20 seconds. In week 2, go deeper for 30 seconds. By week 3, aim for a full 90-degree position and hold for 60 seconds. These 5 exercises may look simple, but they target the deeper systems that keep your body strong, balanced, and resilient. No heavy weights, no complicated routines, just controlled tension and consistency. With regular practice, many people notice improved stability, better control, and more confidence in everyday movements. And that's what real strength is all about. If you found this helpful, you'll find more simple, science-based health content on Health Fact 10M designed to keep you strong at any age.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.